Good morning, children. So, in this class, I continue the same lesson, structural organization of animals. Okay, ma? So, in this chapter, the invertebrates are completed. Let us see now that vertebrate animals. Okay, for example, rabbit. It is a rabbit. Okay, so we see about this rabbit, that is Oryctolagus cuniculus. You know that Oryctolagus cuniculus. It is a scientific name. Scientific name of rabbit is Oryctolagus cuniculus. Oryctolagus cuniculus. Okay, ma? Yes. So the taxonomic position. Now we see the taxonomic position. That phylum is Chordata. Phylum is Chordata. Subphylum is Vertebrata. Subphylum is Vertebrata. Then class is Mammalia. Milk secreting animal, mammals. Okay. Then order is Lagomorpha. Lagomorpha. Order is a Lagomorpha. Then genus is a Oryctolagus. Genus is Oryctolagus. And the species is Cuniculus. Okay. This is the taxonomic position of rabbit. Oryctolagus cuniculus is a scientific name. Then phylum Chordata. Subphylum is Vertebrata. Class is Mammalia. Then order is Lagomorpha. Then genus Oryctolagus. And species is Cuniculus. Okay. Let us see that habit and habitat of rabbit. Okay. Yes. So in this rabbit is a very gentle animal. Okay. ரொம்ப சாதுவாக இருக்கும். Okay. Very calm. And also timid. Timid means very frightened, afraid. ஒரு பயந்த சுபாவம் உடைய one of the animals. Okay. Then that moving from that movement is live in that burrows. It live in. So movement is a leaping movement. Leaping movement. That movement is a leaping movement. Okay. Then it lives in burrows. Mostly it distributed in all over that world. All over the world. So throughout that world. And also it is a herbivorous animal. You know that herbivorous, only plant eating animals is called herbivorous. Okay. So it eats carrots, lettuce and turnips, vegetables like that. Okay. So and also that rabbit is a gregarious. Rabbit is a gregarious. Gregarious means move groups. Okay. It is a gregarious. Gregarious means move groups. Okay ma? அதாவது கூட்டமாக தான் என்ன செய்யும், வாழக்கூடிய இயல்புடையது. ஓகே. ஸோ இது வந்து கூட்டமாக தான் இருக்கும். The next one, that external morphology. Next one we see that external morphology. Okay ma? You see this is rabbit. It is the external feature of rabbits. External feature of rabbits. Okay. Now we see that shape, size and color. Now we see the shape and size and color. Okay. All are see this animal. Yes, all are know this animal. All are see this animal. Most of them are like this animal, very soft. Yes. Okay. So it has an elongated and cylindrical body. That body is elongated and also cylindrical body. Okay. Then male and females is the same size. Both male and females are same size. Okay. And it grow in that length is 45 centimeter and that weight is 2.25 kg. Okay. Then the color is varies from most of them white to black and white in color, like that. Okay. That body is covered with what ma? Fur. So what is the use of the fur? Keep it warm. Keep it warm. பாடியை அப்படியே வெதுவெதுப்பாக வச்சுருக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகேயா? நெக்ஸ்ட் we see that body division. How that body divided? The body of rabbit is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Okay ma? Head, neck, trunk and tail. Okay? Here is tail. Head, neck, trunk, tail. So 4 division. Okay, 4 division. First one is head. So head is a ovoid. So oval like structure, ovoid shape. Then flattened and also truncate snout. Okay ma? Truncate snout. அப்படி பிளவு விட்டதாக இருக்கும். ஓகேயா? So it is lessened by in the tip. Okay. Then it contains mouth and external ears, eyes and also vibrissae. So in this region, in this head, okay, in this head, that eyes, ears and vibrissae. Okay ma? Then the mouth is a transverse slit. That mouth is a transverse slit. Okay, and it is bounded by upper lip and lower lip both. This is upper, this is lower. Okay ma? This is upper, this is lower. So just above the mouth are 2 oblique openings, that is called nostril. So the nostril is situated in that upper mouth. Okay, so from each side of that upper lip, then tactile hairs, that is already I told, vibrissae, whiskers. Yes, you know that. Yes, project outwards. Okay ma? So pertaining to the sense of touch. So that is tactile. Okay, pertaining to the sense of touch, that is called tactile. Okay, or feel, sense of feelings. Okay ma? Then a pair of large movable external ears, that is a large movable external ear or pinnae. It is situated on the top of the head. எங்க அமைஞ்சிருக்கு பார்த்தீங்களா? Just you see that top of the head, a pair of external ear or pinnae. Okay, situated at the top of the head. Next we see the neck. So neck is connect the head and the trunk. Okay, so neck is connect the head and the trunk. Okay, so it helps to turn the head. So the neck is used to turn the head. Okay ma? So neck is over. Next we see the trunk. You know this is trunk. The trunk means the body. Okay, so that is divisible into anterior thorax and posterior abdomen. So the trunk is divisible in anterior thorax and posterior abdomen. Okay amma? So the thorax means it is a chest. Okay yeah, like that, chest. Then abdomen means, so it is the stomach, like that. Okay, so in females 4 or 5 teats. Teats means or nipples. So it is a secreting milk. Okay yeah, it is secrete the milk. So that is called nipple. So are present in that ventral surface between the thorax and abdomen. Between the thorax and abdomen, ventral side between the thorax and abdomen. You know that? Yes, the 4 or 5 teats or nipples are present in the ventral surface. It lies between the thorax and abdomen. Next, the trunk bears 2 pairs of pentatactile limbs. 2 pairs of pentatactile limbs. Okay, so the 4 limbs are shorter. 4 limbs என்னது முன்னங்கால்னு சொல்கிறது. ஓகேயா? So it is very shorter than the hind limbs. Okay ma. So this all the limbs digits bear claws. எல்லாத்துலயும் என்ன இருக்கும்? claws. ஓகேயா? இந்த டிஜிட்ஸ்லாம் claws. ஓகே, all the digits bears claws. நகம்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல அது. The anus is present at the posterior end of the abdomen. Anus is present at the posterior end of the abdomen region. Okay, in this region, at the base of the tail. At the base of the tail. Okay. Then in females on that ventral side, a slit-like vulva. Vulva is present. Vulva means it is the outside of the reproductive organ, that is called vulva. Okay, so in males penis are present. Okay ma, in females vulva, males penis. It is the ventral side of the anus, and that male has a pair of testes, and also that male has a pair of testes. It is enclosed by scrotal sac. It enclosed by what ma? Scrotal sacs. Okay, next we see the tail. The tail is very short. The tail is very short. It is used to give signals. So, to the other rabbits for the even of any danger. ஏதாவது டேஞ்சராக இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு சிக்னல் காமிக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த வால் வந்து செய்யணும், யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கும். ஓகே, இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல் டு கிவ் த சிக்னல். ஸோ திஸ் டெய்ல் இஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல் to give the signal to the other one. Okay, then integument. It is the outer covering, that is called integument. Here is skin, outer. So outer covering of the body, the structure is derived from its hairs, claws, nails and glands like sweat glands and sebaceous glands, and also mammary glands. 3 glands are present. So these mammary glands are modified glands of skin. The skin ஆனது modified தான் ஆகி எதை கொடுத்துருக்கு? memory glands secrete. So it secrete milk. They help the young ones to nourish the food. Okay, so then the sweat and sebaceous glands is embedded in the skin. So this skin is modified into mammary gland. That remaining 2 glands, sebaceous and that another one is sweat gland, is lies in that skin. It regulates the body temperature. Lies in the skin குள்ள தான் என்ன செய்யும்? அந்த 2 gland இருக்கும். So it regulate the body temperature. Okay ma. So this is the external morphology of rabbit. Okay.